What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram account to a creator's account, right? So once you're in Instagram, you want to go ahead on your profile picture on the lower right hand side. From there you want to go ahead and click on professional dashboard here right under the description. Then from there click the gear in the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll down to where it says preferences. Click on preferences, then all the way to the bottom you will see switch account type. So once you click on that, you will have the options. Now if you are currently on a personal account, you will be able to see business and creators account. If you're on a business account and would like to switch to creators account, then you will see, just like myself, the personal and also the creators account. So in this case we're switching to the creators account, so go ahead and click creators account. It will ask you if you want to switch. You simply do that. It will take a moment to load, and as you can see there, you're now on the creators account. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.